Hey guys, welcome back to the Sneaker Division. Check it out. We're giving away these shoes right here. These are Jordan 1 Low reverse breads. They're size 12. All you gotta do is stay tuned to the end of the episode and you'll figure out how to get these shoes for free. Let's get into the episode.
Welcome back to the Sneaker Division. Hey, we got a good one today.
Yeah, we do.
It's all about them bodegas. If you don't know, now you know. But a little quick history about the bodegas before we show you the kicks. So the bodegas, it actually goes back way back. So the bodegas was originally started in the Caribbean in like Puerto Rico, Cuba, Dominican Republic, and there were these little stores that had little mom and pop shops, but they had everything. It had like a bakery, they had little mini groceries.
Oh
yeah. It was used first to keep. It was like a storage room to keep like all the overflow of stuff like wine and things like that. But later on, they started to convert it and make it to a little store. And then from little shops, they soon turned into like little mini bakeries with grocery stores with like, even some of them have meat shops. And so like, if you go to a bodega, especially in Puerto Rico nowadays, like you can get a whole meal. I mean, they're cooking food. You can go in and get like your essentials for the house, like, you know,
so like that mini Walmart.
Right, exactly, like a little mini Walmart, but smaller.
Yeah.
And it's like, you'll find them in every little city, every little block around, like everybody, everywhere, there's a little bodega. And so it started first, you know, from the Caribbean, and slowly but surely the Puerto Ricans and the Cubans and Dominicans, we brought it to New York. And slowly but surely it went from one shop to another, and now there's over thousands and thousands in New York, and that's what it's known today. And
I mean, when I think of bodegas, I always go back to, what is it, Half Baked? That's where I go whenever I see a bodega or hear a bodega. Okay, that's what I relate to.
Yeah,
that's dope
awesome.
Though that it comes from Hispanic culture like that. That's awesome, bro.
Yep. So that's what's pretty cool. So what happened is nowadays, in the new modern days, and we're taking it now to the sneakers, we have a group in New York, you know, that, you know, love sneakers, wanted to, you know, love the bodega culture, and wanted to mix both of those styles in, right? Yeah. So why not? And so they created like a little mini bodega, but out of like sneakers and clothes and everything they love. That passion, that same hype beast passion we all love, right?
Heard that.
That's what bodega is, but you know, in their vision. And so here we go.
Happen to pick up 2 sets of the bodegas. I happened to hit, and Cash happened to hit. And so we ended up bringing them both here. So let's go ahead and start off by showing off the shoes, man.
Absolutely.
Things are beautiful.
So, I love these things, man. I have the copy of the brand. But
all right, first state, they both came with our neckerchief.
Yep.
Awesome.
I love it. Look at that. It's just so beautiful.
It's just so beautiful. Awesome.
So off the bat, if you ever seen or held a baseball glove, you would instantly like fall in love with these if you love, like, you know, baseball or anything like that, that type of leathery feel, because it has that type of stitching. It has that leathery stitching of, like, you know, a baseball glove.
Dude,
that's amazing.
all right. So first off, first note, beautiful shoe.
Amazing.
Yeah. Materials are awesome on it. As he said, like the way the material's laid out, the leather feel, everything, man, it makes it feel like a baseball glove. It really does look like the baseball field, and I mean, it's
Good
beautifully
job.
done, man.
Good job.
I like the rawhide laces that stitch up the different panels.
Exactly.
Like
That stitching is immaculate.
So-
I'll just tell you.
I guess let's start from the toe box and go on down the shoe, man.
Sure. So like we have that little brown suede, which has double stitching now that I noticed on the inside of it, which is, you know,
Oh, yeah, I
very
like that.
unusual. Because normally you only have that one stitching that does the border, but
There's the
like
full border, yeah.
right. So it has that suede on the tip of the toe box, but then on the top of the toe box it has that tumbled leather. And if you look at it, it has that creamish greenish color to it.
It's like cream or eggshell.
Right,
Like it's an off-white, almost tan.
so I love the mixture of all these materials because right next to the toe box, then you had the
lace guard.
the lace guards, right? And that's another type of tumble leather, but it's brown.
Yeah.
And then right underneath, right here in the mids, right here, it has that another type of suede, you know, but it's the like the.
I think this is like the nubuck.
Thank you.
Nubuck leather.
Nubuck leather, exactly. And so I love the transition. And then you have the turtle shell colorway on the Nike.
So his has on the what is it, the outside of the shoe, it has a turtle shell Nike, almost like a tiger's eye. Is about how it looks, like a tiger stone, but it's made from a fake
shell.
turtle shell. And then on the inside, it has Bodega stamp on the inside.
I love
I like that. Yeah, I like that. I like how they allowed Bodega to throw their name on the side where normally your Nike swoosh is gonna be.
You transition from the mids to the upper and you can see the stitching on the collar. I love how the pull tab is also that knockback type of leather.
Yeah, it's very soft, very soft.
And then what attaches that pull tab is also a different type of suede. And then right underneath that, on this part right here on the brown, that wraps it on the back, like that's like high quality leather,
Yeah.
you know?
And then
so
the
it's just-
outside's the light brown, the inside's the dark, almost a black. It is a black, okay. So the inside's a black leather, and then the outside's a brown. That's nice.
yeah. And then you
And
got
again,
your
I really love
midsole.
the stitching in between.
In between, you got your
glove stitching.
gum.
Beautiful shoe.
It's brown. It's just beautiful. It's
Oh, don't forget, they even did a
tongue.
turtle shell on the tongue.
right. The turtle shells on the tongue. And don't forget that there's inside of the tongue. If you just show them.
Inside the tongue has a hidden
Bam.
pocket.
Exactly.
So
I definitely think this is a must cop.
I got an extra
It's
hit
good.
on these due to the fact that should be in here. All right, I think it's going to be in my other box. But I ended up getting the leather laces that go with these that only came with a few select pairs. So I lucked out on that end, and I'll be showing those, I believe, in the from the other box
Awesome.
because we got a twofer on these.
Twofer. All right. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-bum. So these are caches.
This is my set. All right, and then the bonus set is we happen to, besides getting the regular, the Fauna Brown Legends, we ended up with the Friends and Family. I got 11. Cash got the size 12 like normal. She's gonna show these off because these are sick.
Off the top, look at that beautiful colorway.
I got mine off StockX. I had to pay that resale. I wanted them.
Again, another beautiful colorway, another beautiful job. This time around, you can see this is what they call the Friends and Family, and this one was called the Sale.
Yeah, this is sale colorway.
Sale colorway, that's
This
right.
is sale colorway.
So from the toe box from the tip, you got that creamish, grayish suede.
It's cream. It's on the cream. I
And
give
then,
these all off whites and creams and eggshell colorways.
exactly.
This is the colors I'd consider.
Toe
these.
box is the same color as the other one, and that creamish, greenish. The
And they did the same
eyelids.
material as well so far. They've done the same suede on the front, the tumbled leather on the toe box, on the leather guard or lace guards. And then as you go to the inside, it's got the thicker New Bacchish style off-white leather. And then as we go to the back panel, that's where the slight difference between the two come, because it still has the same off-white cream upper around the heel. But between that double panel, instead of it going to two different colors, it's two different materials. Mm-hmm. And one side goes from the tumble leather, which is the outside, and then the inside is a suede.
Exactly.
And that's awesome.
That is the major difference. Because
Yeah.
the other one was that high leather and it wrapped all the way around. But this one, it
It splits.
It splits, doesn't
It splits. The regular ones split. They go from the light brown on one side to the black on the other side.
Gotcha.
And the inside is black and the outside was the light brown. And so this way they did the tumbled tan on the outside and then the suede's on the inside.
Yeah.
Which is pretty nice.
I love it.
And then this one also has the hidden stash spot as well. Both shoes have them underneath. And the other bit to mention on these, I like the Bodega print.
Yeah.
It stands out really well on it because it's like it's burnt in, so it looks really good.
But yeah, man. These are awesome. I think that these are ones that you bust out once in a while, especially these white ones. Woo!
Oh yeah.
Just the material on it and everything. Like, I would rarely wear them because I wouldn't want to ruin the material.
You wouldn't want to destroy them too much. They're beautiful shoes.
They're beautiful.
Artworks, man. These are artworks.
Same with the brown ones. Like the brown ones, I would wear them a little bit more often, but in special occasions. Because again, the material is just so beautiful, so nice. Like, I can see myself going to a baseball game with these things. Rocking them, like, what's up, flexing, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
Or even going to New York and hitting the bodega and be like, ding, 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 ding.
Awesome.
Anyways, well, thank you for stopping by. Again, my name is Cesar Perez, my buddy Pat.
Yeah.
Remember to hit the like, comment, subscribe, let us know what you think. If you have a pair, tell us what's up. Have you worn them? Or are you keeping them all nice? Let us know. You know what I mean? Until next time.
Yo, we'll see y'all later.
Catch you later.
So you stuck to the end, didn't you? You want these? All you gotta do is just subscribe to us on YouTube right now and then go to our Instagram, follow us there. That's it. We're going to be announcing the winner on April 4th, and we're ending the contest on April 1st, okay? And this is all in 2021, obviously. So, anyways, appreciate it. Ring the bell if you want to follow us all the time, and we'll see you next time.